Okay, I'm going to show you how to make Chinese barbecue ribs the easy way. No, this is a great brand here. I like this one. The Chinese BBQ sesame. You don't have to make it yourself. It's pretty good, but compare it with my teriyaki sauce. So in here, there's 2 to 3 pounds of ribs, and I already have teriyaki sauce in here marinating. So you want to mix this up, and then you add in your Chinese barbecue. Alright, all you do is once you mix it up with the teriyaki sauce in there, that's your liquid in there. You don't have to add water or anything. Just use the dry powder here. Make sure you use a glove, otherwise your hand will be all red. Believe me, pair that Chinese barbecue powder with my teriyaki sauce. This will be an awesome Chinese rib that you have never tasted before. So you want to marinate this overnight. Now that is it. Put this in the fridge overnight. You can leave it up to 3 nights. It'll be really good. And you can bake it, put it over charcoal, air fryer. So bake it, and then you can put over charcoal or then broil it to get the brownness that you need. Okay, we're going to bake it in the oven at 350, low and slow, so it'll be nice and tender, for about 45 minutes. We're going to check on it. 45 minutes up, let's check. Ooh, look at this. Look at these ribs. Looks delicious. Look at this bowl ribs. Better than any Chinese barbecue ribs you will ever eat when you make it from scratch. Let's have a taste. It's sweet, it's savory, so juicy. It's just so good. It's delicious. You have to make it in order for you to find out. You won't buy any more at the Chinese store. Make it your own. Bon appetit. See you in the next video.